Blue respectable audience. Question is 88 divided by 8 times 11. Look at this portion. 8 times 11. It is 88. So 88 divided by 88 will be equal to 1. But it is not okay. It is not correct. According to PEMDAS, parentheses x100 multiplication and divisions, addition and subtraction. Now in this question there is division and multiplication. Division is at left and multiplication is at right. So both have same priority, but remember that we have to move from left to right. Mean, first of all, division will be solve, and secondly we will multiply. So 88 divided by 8 will be equal to 11 times 11. Now 11 times 11 will be equal to 11 squared, which is equal to 121, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.